Okay, today we're going to look at the meaning of a point on a graph, and this has to be absolutely one of the easiest things that we do all year long. Okay, so really when we look at this problem, we're thinking to ourselves, what can you learn from this graph, and how do I explain it? So let's just pick a point on the graph. In this case, I'm going to pick this one right here. Okay? And so we need to tell, what does it mean? Well, the first thing you want to do is look at your labels. This is the distance traveled and how many minutes it took. And apparently somebody's on a bike ride. So all I want to do is remember y divided by x. That's the same thing we've been doing. So on this one, the point 620 means 6 miles in 20 minutes. If I can spell miles. Okay, 6 miles in 20 minutes. So what does that tell us? Well, apparently he's traveling 6 miles in 20 minutes. Now, one unit rate you might do is do 6 divided by 20, which would be kind of hard to do. If you're like me, I want to know how far he would go in an hour. So how far would he travel in an hour? Well, if he could do 6 miles in 20 minutes, I could just multiply by 3 and he could do 18 miles in 60 minutes or 1 hour. So he's traveling 18 miles an hour. But really the whole point of this is, can you do this right here? Can you tell us what any point on the graph means? In this case, it means he's going 6 miles in 20 minutes. So let's take a look at another one. On this one, we've got chairs and we've got number of round tables. So my guess is this has something to do with how many chairs can you fit per table. So let's look at this point right here. It's 20 chairs. And then we have to look at the other axes to tell us, hey, what does this 20 chairs represent? Well, it's 20 chairs for 4 tables. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and work that out, that's actually 5 chairs for every table. But the important thing is you can interpret what this point means right here. 4 chairs, or 20 chairs for 4 tables. How hard is that?